Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this cute little mini tacos keychain. For this, we are using 3 colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter, stitch marker, some stones. For this project, I am using 1.75 mm crochet hook. To do this mini taco keychain, we want to know the basic stitches like magic circle, slip knot, chain, single crochet and double crochet. First we will do this outer part as circle and then we will do the inner one with green and red color, same pattern. Next we will do the loop to hold the key ring and then we will add the stone to make it look beautiful. So now let's see how to do this beautiful mini taco keychain. Start with a magic ring. Do chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop. So this is what we say it as magic ring. Next we are going to work inside this magic ring. We are going to do 6 single crochet inside this ring. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Place the stitch marker in this first single crochet. So likewise you are going to do 5 more single crochet inside this ring. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. 2, 3, 4. So you can pull this yarn to adjust the circle. 5 and 6. So after doing 6 single crochet inside the circle, it looks like this. Next remove the stitch marker. Pull this yarn to close the circle. For next round, we are going to work in rounds. So we are not going to finish this round using slip stitch. So instead, we are going to do 2 single crochet in this first single crochet. 1, 2. So place the stitch marker in this first single crochet. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. 1, 2. So likewise you are going to do 2 single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. At the end of this round you will be having 12 single crochet stitches. After doing 2 single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. At the end of this round you will be having 12 single crochet stitches. Next remove the stitch marker. Do 1 single crochet in that stitch. Place the stitch marker in that stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2. Next stitch, 1 single crochet. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. 1, 2. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row by doing 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. At the end of this round, you will be having 18 single crochet stitches. We have to continue this pattern till you reach the stitch marker. After completing this round, it looks like this. At the end of this round, you will be having 18 single crochet stitches. Next, remove the stitch marker. Do 1 single crochet in that stitch. Place the stitch marker. Next stitch, 1 single crochet. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. 1, 2. This is the pattern which you are going to follow for this round by doing 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So at the end of this round you will be having 24 single crochet stitches. You have to continue this pattern till you reach the stitch marker. After completing this round, it looks like this. At the end of this round, you will be having 24 single crochet stitches. Remove the stitch marker and finish this round by doing a slip stitch. Do chain 1, extend the yarn little bit for weaving and you are going to snip off this yarn. Start with slip knot. Do 10 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do 10 chain. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So after doing 10 chain, it looks like this. For next round, you're going to work in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2, you're going to do a single crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. So we have to follow this pattern till the end of this row. That is, do single crochet in the first stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. It looks like this. By following the same pattern, you have to do one more piece in green color. So if you see, we have done one more piece. Now let's see how to join them together to form like a tacos. Insert this yarn inside the needle. Take both the green and the red color piece together. It into half like this. You are going to place them inside. Next, you are going to weave them. Next, you are going to weave them by taking one yellow color stitch, one red color, and the next one is the green color and the yellow color stitch. So next stitch. So need to be careful that we are passing through all the 4 pieces. So likewise, we'll be weaving them till you reach the other end. So after weaving them, the mini taco looks like this. Next, we are going to do a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert it here. Do a slip stitch. Do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So here you can insert the key ring. So next we have added some stone to make it look beautiful. So mini taco keychain looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.